Open your Tradingview and go to the Search Indicator tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type PSAR support resistance. Then, select the PSAR support resistance indicator by trader Hari Krishna. After that, configure the Parabolic PSAR support resistance indicator. Go to the Input tab and adjust the settings as follows. Change the value in the start field to 0.01. Change the value in the increment field to 0.01. Change the first moving average length to 100. Change the second moving average length to 200. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove some markers that we don't need. Keep only the markers for buy, sell, first moving average, and second moving average. Once you're done, simply click OK to save the changes. This Parabolic PSAR support resistance indicator will serve as the main trend guide as well as the trigger for entry in the market. If the EMA 100 crosses above or is above the EMA 200, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, you will only look for the best points to place a buy entry. Conversely, if the EMA 100 crosses below or is below the EMA 200, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, you will only look for the best points to place a sell entry. Hello traders. Welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. In this video, we will discuss a 15-minute scalping strategy that only uses 2 free buy-sell indicators from Tradingview. Besides using just these 2 free buy-sell indicators, this scalping strategy also incorporates the break and retest method to place entries in the market. If you can effectively use the combination of these 2 free buy-sell indicators, you'll no longer feel confused when making your trading decisions. In this example, we'll demonstrate how to use this scalping strategy in forex trading. However, don't worry, this strategy isn't just suitable for forex scalping. You can also use it on other assets such as gold or XAU/USD, crypto, stocks, and many more. Don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing, so you'll be the first to receive exciting updates from us. Let's get started. Now, add the second indicator to be used in this scalping strategy. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker. Then, select the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator by Kavanas Bilgic. After that, configure the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator. In the Input tab, adjust the settings as follows. Change the OTT period to 8. Change the optimization value to 1.5. Once done, simply click OK to save the changes. The High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator functions as a guide for identifying the trend direction while also helping to pinpoint potential entry areas in the market. When the price candlesticks move above the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator and the candlesticks are navy, it signals a bullish trend. In this case, you should wait for the price candlesticks to retest the indicator area before deciding to open a buy position. Conversely, if the price candlesticks are below the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator and the candlesticks are red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, wait for the price candlesticks to retest the indicator area before placing a sell entry. However, if the price candlesticks are inside the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator area, it's best to avoid opening any positions to minimize unnecessary risks. To make this clearer, let's discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this scalping strategy. How to place a buy entry. If the price candlestick successfully breaks out above or is above the high and low optimized trend tracker indicator, this serves as the initial signal of a bullish trend. Wait for the price candlestick to retest the area of the high and low optimized trend tracker indicator. Ensure that the EMA 50 has crossed above or is above the EMA 200 as trend confirmation. Wait for a buy signal from the Parabolic SAR support resistance indicator. As a final confirmation, ensure the candlestick is navy. If all the above conditions are met, you can place a buy entry after the candlestick has closed. Set your stop loss at the lowest optimized trend tracker line. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell entry. If the price candlestick successfully breaks out below or is below the high and low optimized trend tracker indicator, this serves as the initial signal of a bearish trend. Wait for the price candlestick to retest the area of the high and low optimized trend tracker indicator. Ensure that the EMA 50 has crossed below or is below the EMA 200 as trend confirmation. Wait for a sell signal from the Parabolic SAR support resistance indicator. As a final confirmation, ensure the candlestick is red. If all the above conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the candlestick has closed. Set your stop loss at the highest optimized trend tracker line. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.